Oh shit. I forgot to show you guys scrub. This was the scrub I was talking about from the very same brand, Lotus Scrub. This removes all the dead skin and is very, very good. So, hi there, guys. Girl next to this side. I hope you all are doing well. So, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I post a lot of content on hair care, skincare, and overall wellness. And yeah, if you are returning subscriber, then hello again. So, today I have a very interesting topic. So, I have a lot of my guy friends who do not understand like what exactly they should do, and it's like kind of difficult for them to understand because Instagram is showing so much content on what exactly to use, and there are so many different skincare, there are so many different brands. So this population is extremely confused, to be honest. And I have a lot of my guy friends asking, even my husband, he's also confused that what is this serum for, what is that face wash for, what is scrub for. So today I'm going to clarify all of that for you, and this is going to be the simplest of the video that I can put out there because skincare is complex. You can go to any level of complexity you want, but this is the bare minimum that I'm going to show in two different levels. Okay, and this is not just for men, this is also for girls and everyone out there, to be honest, who are confused with so much social media showing so many different things in such a confusing way. Nail mixer, scrub, face mask, sheet mask. What is the end result of this? So I think it's very confusing. So let's just forget everything and start from the basic. This is my copy where I study, and because of I wanted to simplify things for you, I have done a lot of research. So basically, skincare can be divided into two things: the absolute necessary and the moderate level of skincare. So going over to absolute necessary, this is applicable for both men, women, everything. All the products that I will be sharing with you can be used by both men and women. And first we will talk about the bare necessity. So when it comes to bare necessity, there are three things that we will talk about. Okay, the first bare necessity is obviously cleansing. Face wash. This is a bare necessity, whether you're a girl, whether you're a boy, this is a bare necessity. So when we talk about cleansing, how many times should we cleanse our face? What is a good skincare face wash? So when I talk about this, the first question should be, you should clean your face twice a day. So in the morning when you take bath, morning or afternoon before you're going out for office, and after coming back at night. Okay, even if you're not going outside, you are doing work from home, the entire day a lot of dust, grime and oil gets accumulated. So at night before you sleep and before you do your nighttime skincare routine, I'm coming to that, you should be cleaning your face again. So 2 times you should be doing face cleansing. Okay, I'll show you 2 products. Okay, actually 1 product, and this is just an extra. This is what I have been using. If you can see that, Lotus White Glow. This is not for whitening and all of that. It just makes your complexion bright. So this is a 3-in-1 deep cleansing, skin whitening facial foam. Deep cleanses, blocks melanin production, whitens. But anyway, I use this because I absolutely love this product. I absolutely love this product because it removes tan from my face. And I have used a lot of products over the last few years, but I always find myself coming back to this one product all the time because this effectively removes tan. And for guys, I have found that they are like all the more tanned because they're not even aware of what is detanning and all of that. And no need to go into that complexity if you can use a face wash like this, which will clean your face and also which will detan. Okay, so this face wash retails for 260 rupees, a little bit on the high side, and the quantity is 100 grams. So I love this face wash. This is my recommendation, but you guys out there, if you're using something that is absolutely suitable for you, then please go ahead for this. Okay, so this skincare is an absolute necessity. You have to do cleansing twice a day. Now the next necessity is obviously sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen is something that you can't skip, because if you skip sunscreen, then no amount of detan face wash or pack or anything can actually solve the problem of tanning. So why do we need sunscreen? Because sun has very harmful UVA, UVB rays, and that is actually going to, and that also can cause skin cancer. So to save yourself from all of that and also to avoid tanning happening, you should use sunscreen. Sunscreen is a bare necessity, whether you are man, woman, whatever. Okay, and the one sunscreen that I have found, after doing a lot of research and by using sunscreen, I mean, how much money I have spent on sunscreen, you have no idea. But that is why I have spent, so that you don't have to. And I am here with the best sunscreen that I have found. If you can see that, this is the Derma Co sunscreen with 1% hyaluronic acid. This is a gel-based sunscreen because men tend to sweat much more than women, what I have noticed, and therefore for men it is absolutely important that you use a gel-based sunscreen and not a cream-based sunscreen or an oil-based sunscreen. This is SPF 50. This product has PA++++, 4+, okay, and it has vitamin E. It is fragrance free. Okay, a lot of guys out there hate fragrances in product because they don't want to smell like a flower or fruit or whatever it is. So this is something that I use on a daily basis. My husband Rohit uses on a daily basis, and both of us, we absolutely love this. This is paraben and mineral oil free. 80 grams of sunscreen retails for 649 rupees. Guys, it is very important that you invest in a good sunscreen. This might sound, it's a bit expensive, but it's very important that you use a sunscreen that is of quality, good quality, because this sunscreen is definitely the best that I have used. Does not leave white cast, does not, make me break out, does not make my skin oily. So I highly recommend when to use. Before going out to sun, please apply this 30 minutes before or as per your convenience. Basically, before you're going out or even when you're inside your home, make this a part of your morning skincare routine that you're using a sunscreen, because you might be in but the sun is out and we still get sun rays impacting our skin in a negative way. So this sunscreen is a boon, and please make sure that you're using sunscreen. You might not use this, whichever suits you, but this is my pick. Now, the third step of skincare, which is extremely important and is a necessity, again, is moisturization. So moisturization is it's crucial, it's extremely important. Now, you must be thinking that in the morning I will be sunscreen, then when will I use the moisturization? Now, you can use the moisturizer at night before you sleep, so that, because when we sleep, the skin always heals itself. When the skin heals itself, it needs food. It obviously needs food for its healing process. And while your skin is sleeping, the best time to put moisturizer is during the night time. So which moisturizer should you be using? Let me show you my best picks. I highly recommend. So the first moisturizer that I highly recommend is the Cetaphil moisturizer. This instantly soothes and protects skin and keep your skin hydrated for almost 48 hours. Again, this is a product which has no smell at all. This has no smell. This is purely medicated and it's extremely good. It's a little bit on the thicker side, but then it does not make your skin oily, so you won't feel like, you won't feel uncomfortable, because men don't like skincare which is oily, and that is something that I have understood over the years. Okay, and this one is this is 100 ml bottle, the one that I'm showing, and it retails for rupees 549. This is a very useful product. You will get this at every pharmacy store, or you can order this from Amazon as well. All of the prices that I'm telling you guys over here are marked prices, so obviously you will get it at a lot cheaper when you buy it from online. Okay, so this is the best moisturizer that I have ever used. It heals skin like nothing else, guys, and this is something that you can definitely buy for yourself. I have, by the way, one more recommendation. I am recently very impressed by this moisturizer. This is from Vaseline. It is the Gluta-Hya moisturizer. It is actually a serum. It is kind of gel based. It has gluta, so the description says it has hyaluronic acid plus niacinamide. I will come to what these are, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, but then these are two of the most powerful ingredients that can actually hydrate your skin. Okay, hydrating skin is extremely important, and this is a more non-stickier version than the Cetaphil. So if you are uncomfortable using Cetaphil because it does have a little bit of cream based, this is gel based. This keeps your skin hydrated even in the morning after you wake up, and your skin glows. Okay, so this one is 200 ml, cost only rupees 325, and yeah, this is Dewy Radiance. The name itself is Dewy Radiance, and it has niacinamide, hyaluronic, which are the two most powerful hydrating agents. So if you are not a fan of Cetaphil, you can definitely buy this product. If you are a guy who sweats a lot, I suggest you use this because you're going to love this product. So now that I'm done with the basics, I'll again recap for you. Basics are three things: cleansing, moisturization, sunscreen. So these three things are the basic. Now if you want to up your game, level up your game, and you want to learn more, and you want to skin correction is the next level. So these are necessities, and the next level is skin correction. When it comes to skin correction, you might have to think of what are the problems that happens in skin, and for most of you, what are the problems which is out there, and then we will talk about skin correction. So there are 4 important problems in the skin which can require or which calls for skin correction. The first is open pores. Second can be acne pimple, which is the most common out there. The third is blemishes or uneven skin. What does that mean? So you might think that you have darkness around your nose. I mean, I have darkness around my nose, around my mouth area. Okay, which is like uneven skin tone, pigmentation. During I feel there's a lot of hyperpigmentation of mine on the forehead area. So this is like uneven skin tone. And blemishes. Some people you might find that have dark spots on on their cheeks. So this is the third problem. And the fourth is aging, wrinkles, which can come to all of us, by the way, because all of us are aging. So these are the 4 most problems of the skin which require skin correction. Now, when it comes to open pores can be treated by using a toner. Okay, so the one toner that I will swear by, this is my 3rd bottle, I think, is this toner is an absolute boon. The only bummer is that it does not have a spray. You have to use a cotton pad, and then you have to wet it and use it on your face. This is the rice water and niacinamide toner. This one is again fragrance free, so you don't have to worry about smelling a different definite sort of a smell. So this is fragrance free. You can use this at night time or daytime whenever you want. There's no harm in using it at any specific time of the day, and this reduces the appearance of pores. So it shrinks the pores that looks really bad. Sometimes I really feel that I have a lot of pores, and when you're in front, when you are speaking to someone from a very less distance, you can see the appearance of pores over here, open pores. This can solve that problem. Okay, so this is a 150 ml bottle. Again, mark price is 420, but you will get it at a discount everywhere, and this is extremely good quality product, and this also contains niacinamide. So once we are done with open pore problem, so now that we have worked on the open pore problem, the next problem is acne, pimples and blackheads. So when we talk about acne and pimple, we have to understand that we need to use something which will control the oil and the sebum production, and that's why my top pick for this problem is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. The salicylic acid that I use is from Minimalist, and it's extremely good. It can dry down your active acne within 2 days of usage. When to use this? You can use this any time of the day. This is not something which you have to use at night, but then if it is convenient for you, please do use this before you go to sleep. So this is the product that I'm talking about. This is 2% salicylic acid. It has oligopeptide 10. It has horehound extract, and it reduces oil, acne, blackheads. And because we all know that men won't do scrubbing and all of that, that's why you guys get a lot of blackheads on your nose, on your chin area. This is going to work on that as well. Okay, and for scrub solution, I'll come to that later. I have something for that as well. Okay, so this one is a 30 ml bottle, and it retails for 549 rupees, but like I said, you will get all of these at a discount in Nykaa, Amazon, everywhere. And this is extremely convenient to use actually. If you see, this is a glass bottle and all actives. This is an active. Active is basically a pure ingredient. So this is photosensitive. That is why the bottle is black, and it has a dropper. You can see it is extremely watery. It is not oily at all. It's extremely convenient to use. So now these actives from Minimalist are actually oily. It's very, very convenient. And I love this product. Use this once a day, not 2 times, only at night time or only at daytime before you put on your sunscreen. And this should reduce your acne, blackheads and everything. So highly recommend this product. The next problem that I have spoken about is blemishes, hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Okay, and for that, what we should be looking at is using a niacinamide. I know this magical ingredient has appeared in many of the products that I have shown by now, and indeed so, because it's the best ingredient, the best of the actives that I have actually used. And even if you want a lot of hydration in your skin, you want your skin to be supple and even, this is the ingredient that actually works. Okay, and for that I have Plum's niacinamide serum. It is 10% niacinamide. The bottle even is really nice and cute. I love it. I'll show you. So this is Plum's 10% niacinamide. This gives clarity to skin. Niacinamide is actually kind of like food for skin. Even if you don't use any of the other actives, I suggest guys just use this, because even if you have problem, you don't have problem this only does good. Okay, and this is a product that is this is an active which is actually present in all the skincare that we use, whether it's moisturizer, whether it's sunscreen. Okay, whatever products I have shown to you already contains niacinamide, but this is in the pure form, 10% niacinamide. This is a 30 ml bottle, 649 rupees from Plum, and even this one has a little thick texture, but thick does not mean it's going to be oily. It is thick, but it still blends into the skin like a dream, and it's extremely good. It's extremely calming all the skin, so highly recommend niacinamide. Now coming over to the problem that will impact all of us, which is wrinkles and aging. For this, I know that all of you know there is only one thing that can really work on aging, and that is retinol. But retinol can become sometimes a little tricky, okay, because retinols have different concentrations. Retinol is also something that is extremely photosensitive, so retinol is something that you can use only at night time. So I have two recommendations. One is a pure serum and another is a nighttime kind of a moisturizer which contains retinol. So that is why my first pick of the day will be retinol. So this is the retinol that I use. This is also from Minimalist. Don't think that this is a sponsored video from Minimalist, because not at all. I just find their products to be amazing, and that is the reason why I suggest them. And for beginner, this is really good. This is 0.6% retinol. This is a face serum which has rose hip oil, coenzyme Q10 and squalene. Okay, and this is mid strength for anti-aging purpose, and this is suitable for all skin type. Low concentration retinol is not something that you can use and really see a benefit for that, but I suggest you don't start this every night. Use this if wrinkle is right now a problem for you. Especially this is important for all 30 plus people. Okay, 30 plus, and 32. I use this every night. Start on alternate days at night. Okay, this is again something which is extremely convenient to use. It is a packaging like this. It does change color with time. If you can see, this is like slightly if you see this, slightly on the yellowish side. Yeah, so use little bit, only 3 drop, one on here, and another on here. Massage the retinol very nicely. This is a serum. This is not oily. This is not going to make your skin feel greasy. Okay, and after this you can use your daily moisturization, which I have talked about before. Okay, so this one is also 30 ml, cost rupees 649. Okay, and this is highly recommended if you are starting on your retinol journey. And again, if you are a beginner, don't use daily, use on alternate days. If you think that your skin is not purging and you're able to take it and your skin is feeling good, you can use this on a daily basis as well. Now I have another option for retinol, which is not in the form of a serum but is actually in the form of a cream. This cream right here, if you see, this is from Dot and Key. I have been using this for 1.5 months, 2 months now. Now why I suggest this product? Because I have also spoken about moisturizer, right? So this is a nighttime routine which moisturizes, which has retinol. So this is going to be a very good catch for you, because if you are someone 30 plus, using moisturizer plus retinol can become a little bit difficult for you. So if you don't want 2 different steps, you can club both into one product, which is this product. This is Dot & Key Retinol plus Ceramide Night Repair Cream. It smooths wrinkles, prevents moisture loss, forms and youth. It leads to firm and youthful skin. This has hibiscus and pomegranate oil, so this also moisturizes, exactly what I was telling you. So if you don't want a different moisturizer or different retinol, please do use this product. It is very lightweight and the packaging is really cute. So this product boosts collagen. I will show you how this looks like. So this is how the product looks like. Dodenki Retinol Plus Ceramide Night Repair Cream. This is 60 ml of product and it costs rupees 695, but again, like I mentioned, this you will also get at a huge discount. So yeah, this is my last pick. So if we do a recap of the skin correction or moderate skincare level, so the first problem that we have spoken about is open pore. Second problem is acne, pimple, blackhead. Third problem was blemishes and uneven skin, and fourth was wrinkles and aging. So these are the 4 problems, but like I said, and I have also shown you products, like I said, you can always level up your skincare. These are the basics that I have shown. Always remember, moisturization, sunscreen, cleansing are basics, and these are if you level up your game and you want to do something on a moderate level, then you can use these, whichever is your problem and whichever is the issue that is there in your skin right now. Accordingly, you can pick your serum. Oh shit, I forgot to show you guys scrub. This was the scrub I was talking about from the very same brand, Lotus Scrub. This removes all the dead skin and is very, very good. So if you want, you can use this. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope I have clarified a little bit. Now, like I said, if you have any questions, please do mention in the comment section below. I will be there to help you out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this with your friends, family, brothers, sisters, your father, if they are also interested to come into skincare and know what it's all about. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.